See, I think we're live. Perfect. Okay, let me adjust the slide right here. Oh my goodness gracious. Hola mis amigos, ¿cómo están? Aquí su amigo Raul. Thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. And I wanted to bring you an update on the market today, just because it was actually a very interesting day. Now, before I get started, just a quick reminder, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You'll find the link wherever it is that you're watching this video. If you're watching it on Facebook, just click on the link, go subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, share the content. I really do try to bring you good information. Now it's almost on a daily basis. I don't know if I'll always be able to make videos for you on a daily basis, but at least right now, because things are very interesting to say the least, I do want to bring you videos as often as possible. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. Jesus will thank you. And by Jesus, I'm talking about my cousin Jesus, who's the one that helps me edit my videos. And because I only have 40 subscribers, I can't afford to pay him. So help a brother out. He's got like 7 kids. So if you subscribe to my channel, very, very helpful. Let's go ahead and get started. Just a reminder that the information that I share with you today is for education purposes only, not to be taken as financial advice. Enter at your own risk if you are going to invest money. But before I get started with what happened in the stock market today, I think some of you guys watch my videos, and at least as soon as you start watching the video, you might say, why do I give 2 blanks? What the hell is happening in the stock market if I have 0 money invested in the stock market? And I'm actually going to explain to you why before I tell you what happened in the market today. The stock market tells us what big money is doing. And it's always important to understand what big money is doing so that we know where the economy is heading. And this is very important because since the beginning of 2022, there's been a lot of uncertainty as it pertains to big money. So big money has been leaving the stock market since the beginning of 2022. And most recently, in the last 2 weeks, they've been leaving the market pretty heavily. Why is this important to you? Why is this important to me? What I call small money, because I'm small money, I'm not big money, I'm not worth billions or multi-millions of dollars. Because big money tells us what they believe the sentiment to be of the economy moving forward. So when big money leaves the stock market and they're building huge cash positions, it's because they feel like the economy is heading in a negative direction. Now, why does it affect you and it affect me, small money? When big money leaves the market, it's because they're anticipating that something bad's going to happen. And by something bad, and I've been talking about this in all of my videos, is a potential recession. Do I want a recession to happen? Absolutely not. I don't want a recession to happen. And actually, you know what, guys? I think I messed up because my mic is way the heck over here. Oh, man. Hold on. Let me see. I totally forgot to reposition my mic. That's what happens when you do videos live. If somebody can help me out and just let me know if... Nope. Can you guys let me know if you were able to hear my spiel? Because my mic was like way the hell away from me. Well, I guess I won't go back to the very, very beginning, but I'll go back a little bit. And I'll do this video again if I totally screwed it up. Anyway, so why is it important for us to realize what big money is doing? Because if big money doesn't have confidence in the economy, it could signal that we may be going into a potential recession. So big money invests in these big companies that are in the New York Stock Exchange. If big money is leaving these big companies, it means that they don't have a lot of confidence in the economy. If they don't have a lot of confidence in the economy, they pull their money, and these big companies no longer have the funds to be able to operate at a high level. And that's what affects small money. Because if all of these big companies like Walmart and Amazon and just all of these big players no longer have the same amount of funds, guess what happens then? They need to lay off employees. And if they lay off employees, then those employees no longer have the funds to be able to buy goods and services from small businesses. So you see, whenever we watch what big money is doing, and when big money is leaving the stock market, it means that they are anticipating bad economic times. And eventually that's going to ripple down to us, small money. The problem with small money, and I'm talking about middle America, is that most of the time we don't realize that a recession is coming until we're actually smack in the middle of a recession. And that's the whole purpose of my videos. The whole purpose of my videos is to be able to give you clarity and to be able to help you prepare. Am I prepared for a recession? You bet your ass I am. If a recession happens, I am more than prepared. Am I prepared if a recession doesn't happen? Most definitely. And I'm going to tell you that I really, really hope that a recession doesn't happen. But you got to be prepared. And the whole purpose of my videos is to help you, middle America, get prepared. Because as usual, when things like this happen, middle America are the ones that get hit the worst. Why? Because generally speaking, big money anticipates this a hell of a lot better than we do. Small money, middle America. And unfortunately, the ones that get affected the most is us, small money, middle America. So we always have to watch what big money is doing, and big money invests in the stock market. And since the beginning of 2022, big money has been leaving the market. So that is definitely cause for concern for all of us. And we just need to be prepared. Now, today in the market, it was a day of a lot of indecision. So for a little while, the market wanted to go up, and then it just failed, and it ended up not really going anywhere. And so we're somewhat in limbo. The market is trying to figure out, do we want to go up? Do we want to go down? But still, market sentiment continues to be very, very negative. Tomorrow is going to be an interesting day, because since the market really went nowhere today, we need to see what it does tomorrow. Because if tomorrow market starts recovering, there's a good possibility that maybe big money's they're starting to gain their confidence again. But if tomorrow we come crashing down, the reason why that's so important is because we're going to be hitting a new low. If tomorrow we come crashing down, that'll be the lowest point in the stock market this far, and that could be very bad. So as usual, ladies and gentlemen, I do try to bring you the most up-to-date, most current information. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share my video. Don't forget to leave a comment. Leave me a comment. I also included my email. If you guys want to shoot me an email, if you have a question, or is there anything that I can do for you guys, let me know. And I appreciate your time. You guys have a beautiful day, and we'll see what tomorrow brings. Thank you so much. Peace.